Good morning, everybody. On your screen right now is yesterday's problem of the day. Just want to give you the answer key, talk about how you did it. It was rate of change growth from a table. And you can see the table went 100, 50, 25, 12.5. The start value in our y equals ABX is 100. We know that because of 0 and 100. The multiplier of the growth is 0.5. 100 to 50 to 25, it was clearly going down. And remember the trick I showed you before we got away from school was we take this number 50 and divide it by 100, 25 divided by 50, 12.5 divided by 25. That will give you your multiplier, your growth rate. In this case, it's decay. And so we put it right there. So the correct answer was y equals 100, parentheses, 0.5. That's our growth rate, 50% decrease each time to the x power, when x would represent the values here on that side. Remember, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there's daily check-ins. There's 2 assignments, 7 and 8, and I'll launch a quiz tomorrow morning and let you guys get going on that. Have a great Tuesday. Weather looks great. Go Pios.